Car crashes are unpredictable, but the rigorous crash tests behind every vehicle are what make modern cars safer than ever. Have you ever wondered what happens inside a car crash test and how it shapes the vehicles we trust every day? In today's video, we'll take you behind the scenes of these fascinating tests and reveal the science and technology that keeps us safe. If you're fascinated by how technology and innovation are transforming the automotive world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more insights. Let's dive in. The purpose of car crash tests. Crash tests are not just about slamming cars into barriers, they are a critical step in ensuring that vehicles meet safety standards and can protect passengers in real-world accidents. These tests evaluate a car's structural integrity, restraint systems, and the ability to minimize injuries in various crash scenarios. Crash tests are conducted for two primary reasons. First, they ensure compliance with government safety regulations. For example, in the US, vehicles must meet federal motor vehicle safety standards before they can be sold. Second, crash tests allow automakers to refine their designs, improving safety features like airbags, crumple zones, and seatbelts. These tests ultimately save lives by pushing manufacturers to build safer cars. The history of crash testing. Crash testing has come a long way since its inception. In the 1930s, researchers used rudimentary methods like rolling cars down hills or crashing them into walls to study the effects of impact. By the 1960s, crash testing became more standardized, driven by increasing concerns about vehicle safety and the rise of regulatory bodies. The development of crash test dummies in the 1970s marked a turning point. These anthropomorphic test devices, or ATDs, allowed researchers to measure forces on the human body during collisions. Over the decades, crash tests have evolved into highly sophisticated processes, incorporating advanced sensors, computer simulations, and real-world data to improve accuracy. How crash tests are conducted. The process of a crash test is highly detailed and involves several key steps. Here's a breakdown of what happens during a typical crash test. 1. Vehicle preparation. Before a crash test begins, the vehicle is meticulously prepared. Engineers install sensors throughout the car to measure impact forces, deformation, and the performance of safety features. High-speed cameras are set up around the testing area to capture every detail of the collision. The car is then placed on a sled or track ready for impact. 2. Crash test dummies. Crash test dummies are placed inside the car to simulate human occupants. These dummies are equipped with sensors to measure forces on the head, neck, chest, and limbs during the crash. Different types of dummies represent various body sizes, including adult males, females, and children, to account for diverse passenger demographics. 3. The crash event. The car is propelled toward a barrier at a specified speed, depending on the type of test being conducted. Common scenarios include frontal collisions, side impacts, rear-end crashes, and rollover tests. When the car hits the barrier, the dummy's sensors record data on how the impact affects the occupants. 4. Data collection and analysis. After the crash, engineers analyze the data collected from the sensors and high-speed cameras. They assess the vehicle's structural performance, the effectiveness of airbags and seatbelts, and the potential injuries passengers might sustain. This information is used to refine vehicle designs and improve safety features. Types of crash tests. Crash tests are designed to replicate real-world accident scenarios as closely as possible. Here are some of the most common types of crash tests. Frontal impact tests. Frontal crashes are the most common type of car accident, making frontal impact tests a priority. In these tests, the car is driven into a rigid barrier or a deformable obstacle at speeds typically between 35 and 40 miles per hour. Engineers evaluate how well the front crumple zone absorbs energy and how effectively the airbags and seatbelts protect occupants. Side impact tests. Side collisions are particularly dangerous because cars have less structural material to absorb impact forces. In these tests, a moving barrier mimicking another vehicle crashes into the side of the car. Engineers focus on the performance of side airbags and reinforcements in the vehicle's doors and frame. Rear-end collision tests. Rear-end crashes are less fatal but still require testing. These tests examine the performance of headrests and seats in preventing whiplash and other injuries. Rollover tests. Rollover accidents account for a significant number of fatalities, especially in SUVs and trucks. Rollover tests evaluate a vehicle's roof strength, stability, and the effectiveness of side airbags in protecting passengers during a rollover. Small overlap tests. Small overlap crashes occur when only a portion of the front of the car collides with another object. These tests are particularly challenging because the impact bypasses much of the car's front crumple zone, putting stress on the cabin's structural integrity. The role of crash test dummies. Crash test dummies are the unsung heroes of vehicle safety. These highly sophisticated devices mimic the physical properties of the human body, allowing engineers to measure how crashes affect occupants. Modern dummies are equipped with sensors that collect data on forces, acceleration, and deformation. There are different types of dummies for various scenarios. For instance, the Hybrid 3 dummy, introduced in the 1970s, is still widely used for frontal crash tests. More advanced models, like the 4 dummy, provide even greater accuracy by simulating human biomechanics more realistically. Each dummy represents a specific demographic, from average-sized adults to children and elderly individuals. This diversity ensures that vehicles are tested for the safety of all passengers, not just a single group. Technology and innovations in crash testing. Crash testing has benefited immensely from technological advancements. Computer simulations now play a significant role in the testing process, allowing engineers to predict crash outcomes before physical tests are conducted. These simulations save time and resources while providing valuable insights into how vehicles perform under various conditions. Another innovation is the use of augmented reality and virtual reality in crash test design. These tools help engineers visualize crash dynamics and identify weak points in vehicle structures. Additionally, high-speed cameras and motion capture technology enable researchers to analyze crashes in incredible detail, capturing data that would be impossible to observe with the naked eye. What happens after the test? Once the crash test is complete, the vehicle is examined in detail. Engineers assess the damage to the car's structure, the effectiveness of its safety features, and the potential injuries indicated by the dummy data. This information is compiled into a report that manufacturers use to refine their designs. Crash test results are also shared with regulatory agencies and independent organizations such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. These organizations use the data to assign safety ratings, helping consumers make informed decisions when purchasing a vehicle. How crash tests influence vehicle design. Crash testing has a direct impact on how cars are designed. Insights from these tests have led to the development of numerous safety innovations, including crumple zones. These areas of a car's structure are designed to deform during a crash, absorbing energy and reducing the force transmitted to passengers. Advanced airbags. Modern airbags deploy with precise timing and force, minimizing the risk of injury to occupants. Reinforced frames. Stronger materials and design improvements enhance a vehicle's ability to protect passengers in collisions. Child safety features. Crash testing has driven the development of child-specific safety measures such as car seat anchor systems and side impact protection. Why crash testing is still critical. Despite advances in technology, crash testing remains as important as ever. While computer simulations and virtual models provide valuable data, physical crash tests reveal real-world variables that simulations can't account for. Testing ensures that vehicles meet rigorous safety standards and continue to evolve in response to new challenges. Car crash tests are more than just dramatic collisions. They're a vital part of vehicle development, shaping the cars we trust to keep us safe on the road. From the preparation process to the analysis of results, every crash test is a testament to the engineering and innovation behind modern automotive safety. Understanding what happens during these tests gives us greater appreciation for the hidden work that protects us every day. What surprised you most about crash testing? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the fascinating world of cars and technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.